Yes, and we can all be sad about it on the boat.
And now that it's not beautiful, Daddy doesn't care anymore. Kind of like with his first 4 wives.
You know, London, if you paid to replant the island, maybe the parrots would come back.
And the islanders would be so grateful, they might put your picture on their coins.
Do you really think so? Then I could flip myself to decide what shoes to wear.
Halt! You are surrounded.
By just you?
Pretty much.
How about I help you replant the trees by writing a check for $10 million?
That would work.
And feel free to use some of it to buy yourself new pants.
Bye-bye. Bon voyage. Stay away from the kitchen.
London, we were worried sick about you. You're grounded.
Technically, you can only give detention. I can ground. You're grounded.
And so is your helicopter pilot.
Fine, I won't use my helicopter.
Or your private submarine.
Take it back down, boys. Well, I guess I'm stuck here.
I know. With me as your roommate.
Yeah, that is depressing. But you did get us out of that jail cell.
So does that mean we're okay?
Sure. You know, maybe sharing a room won't be so bad. I'll be the big sister you've never had.
Actually, I have 6 big sisters. And 3 little ones.
Wow, your mom needs a hobby. Come on, little sis. Let's go down to the mall deck and buy a whole new wardrobe.
For me? Oh, London, you don't have to buy me a whole new wardrobe.
I was talking about me.
Then why do you want me to go along?
Somebody has to tell me how great I look.
Oh, look at this. They started replanting the trees on Parrot Island. Oh, not only that, but some of the parrots have started to return. It's wonderful. Oh, look at this. It's a lovely shaded area where some pigs are resting. Really? Is that your mother? Oh, you have her snout. Oh, I'm sorry. Bacon breath?